another video. You're watching Phones on George with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia's 1110. Yes, 1110. We are going to talk about this, and we can say that this and the other variants they both were released on the same year and the same month. 1110 और 1110 आई दोनों ही एक साथ रिलीज हुए थे, तो कह सकते हैं दोनों के बारे में हम की बहुत सिमिलैरिटीज हैं, बहुत डिसिमिलैरिटीज भी हैं. They are quite similar, quite dissimilar out there. So let us talk and compare both the models out here and see what are the major differences out there and what differences do 1110 and 1110i possesses. If we talk about these two variants, we can see that there are not n number of differences. There are majorly similarities because release date and the release year was absolutely the same out there. Talking about these two variants or talking about Nokia's 1110, 1110i or talking about these two simultaneously, it won't matter much because the name itself suggests that both the variants are actually quite similar. Only there is a minor difference out here. You can see definitely there are very minor differences out there. Talking about the differences and the similarities or talking about the connections of these variants, the name itself is very much similar. 1110, 1110i, only the variant of alphabet I is the major difference in the name itself. Whereas if we talk about this variant, we can say that these variants are quite very similar. We might say that these variants might be different in the structurality, might be different in the other things out there, but we can say that the variant out here are quite similar and are complement to each other, very much complement to each other, we can say that. Why we are saying so? Because both have got the weightage of 80 grams and both the variants 110 I and 1110, 1110i, both the variants out there are mini SIM and with monochromatic screening. Yes, both have monochromatic screening and both the variants have a weightage of 80 grams with mini SIM out there. Whereas you also get to see that they have screensaver, animators, 4-way scroll keys out there, the main button out there, which we have the center button that is a scroll key out there, which can be diverted in either direction, chahe wo north or south or east or west, so any direction it would be, up, down, east, west, any direction. Anyway, it can be considered. Both the variants have an entry life or a phone book entry of 200 entries. Yes, only 200 entries are possible out here, so you can definitely see that these variants do not offer a great version out there. Whereas talking about these variants, we can say that both the variants lack the expandability. Yes, both the variants lack the expandability. Both the variants do not have expandable storage capacity. Both variants out there do not offer you a great internal storage. Only 4 MB storage can be seen out there. Only 4 storage MB can be seen. So this could be considered a drawback to both the variants. मतलब upgrade होने के बाद भी इतना ही है, तो वो 111i के लिए definitely खराब है. ये चीज कह सकते हैं कि 1110 that is a drawback to that. As well as to non-i point, we would say it could have been a better version out there. Both the variants lack camera, they lack multimedia processing out there, they lack the 3.5mm jack out there. Since these were the 2000 early models, so these can be expected to have a poor connectivities. We can say they do not have a connectivity, they do not have FM, they do not have anything out there. So it can be said that way. Like इसमें आपको Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot कुछ नहीं, nothing could be seen on this. So we can say that these variants really do not offer a great variety. But apart from that, they have really a good variant in the, if we talk about other things, they have really a good variant out there for the clock, stop, pause reminders out there, calendars out there, picture messaging, speaking alarms, we can say memos were there, voice memos could be seen, document viewers can be seen out there. So these are the few things which can be seen out there, so we can consider it a good variant out that time. Talking about the battery life, that is still the same. मतलब इनमें आपको कुछ भी difference as such नहीं देखने को मिलेगा, except few things. They are nothing as such. Don't know why they were considered so much, but the major difference you can see is that 100, like 110I had stopwatch. Yes, 110I had stopwatch, while the other one did not have that. There was a weak variant for the stopwatch out there, we can say that. Talking about this variant, we can say both the variants have a battery life of 900 mAh and was possessing about 6 hours talk time. Yes, 6 hours talk time with 900 mAh battery, both the models had. So we can say there was not a major difference out here. मतलब ज़्यादा कुछ difference नहीं था इनमें. Similarities, almost हर चीज की similarities थी, चाहे वो external storage की हो, इसकी looks की हो, इसकी functionality की हो, everything was similar out here. So we can say that these were quite similar products. Now talking about the similarities, the pricing might differ or might not differ on various sites, but we have got a site which offers you a great pricing for this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is available on a very amazing site, which is none other than PhoneZone.ae. So this is the site I was talking about. The site name is PhoneZone.ae. So we can say phone zone. The phone itself means it's a zone or it's a place out here. We can find all the variants out there, all the phones out here. It offers you a category out here, which is all mobile phones, which has n number of brands out there. It has all the specifications, everything out there. You can say that this category offers you n number of things. Yes, you can see n number of things out there can be seen on this website. You can get to see all the models. Like if we click on this variant or if we check out this variant, all mobile phones, you get to see that it has got all the models, all the brands out. Like if we click it on this or we just see this category, Apple, Samsung, Nokia, every kind of brand is there, as well as this search icon helps you to see your favorite gadget or specified result, whichever you want. Like I am typing this model out here and we get to see that the category here itself shows both the models out here, so we can search them together as well and see what are the major differences out there. So the result is out and we can see that the result offers both the pricings and the condition of these variants. If we see the condition, both have written over them is refurbished condition. Refurbished and refurbishedness, what is refurbished, how it is different from brand new, what are the major differences. Let us first talk about this and then we will back to the site and pricing. But पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं refurbished और brand new. So let us talk about refurbished products and refurbishedness and compare it with the brand new products too. मतलब इन दोनों को भी डिस्कस करते हैं, जानते हैं कि refurbished क्या होता है, brand new क्या होता है, what are the major differences involved in refurbished products and brand new products. Talking about the refurbished and brand new products and talking about the word itself, let us talk about the word first. Refurbished. Re means again. Furbish means creating new. Like it combinedly says creating something new. So we can say refurbish itself means something new like or newly like. We can say this thing out there. Whereas brand new says that it is something absolutely untouched brand. Brand new can also be said as like it is absolutely from the company itself. It has not been touched by any of the users, anything out there. We can say that. Whereas if we talk about refurbished, it has been once used out by a user and we are rebringing it or we are repolishing it and bringing it back to the market along with the sites. So this is what refurbished means, actual means. Now let us talk about refurbished and brand new parameters. What are the major differences or the major parameters on which we can say that brand new and refurbished products, they do differ or they are similar. Or talking about the similarities, talking about the similar things out there, we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products both have the same parameters. Yes, the parameters which are involved in it are same. Same as in we can say that these parameters involve nothing else but the connectivities, display, the battery, camera, the internal systems out there like processor, OS, GPU, NFS connectivities, infrared ports are there, USB typing out there, everything which is involved in every specification. On a major classification, on a very broad or a rough classification, if we talk about this thing, we can say that these are majorly classified as external and internal factors. Talking about the external and internal factors, we can say the external factors involve all the external features like the display out there, buttons out there, camera placement, camera quality, audio, video qualities out there, the battery life, the charging capacity. So these are all the display and the external factors जो हम देख सकते हैं, which we can see. Whereas talking about the internal factors, we can see the internal parts which cannot be checked out with seeing. They have to be checked by other systems like the processing system, Android system, SIM recognition, data recovery, data wiping, colorization out there, the internal connectivities, hotspot, NFC, Bluetooth, infrared ports out there, all the parts which are internal parts out there. So overall, there are 29 parameters for brand new products. So same 29 parameters are involved in the refurbished products. मतलब दोनों में ही इन दोनों में ही involve होते हैं, brand new में भी और refurbished में भी. Both have the same kind of products. Now talking about these products, now talking about these branding, what are the major differences out there? मतलब there has to be some difference out there. There has to be a difference. So talking about the difference, we can say there are few benefits of having refurbished products on brand new products. Yes. There are few benefits of having refurbished products. Just like number one, as we say, is the saving up to 15%. Yes, you get to save up to 15%. Why we say so? Because brand new products are slightly expensive out there. They have really high prices, whereas refurbished products are not that much expensive. They are not that much a heavy pricing out there. So you can save up to 15%, or it might raise up to 17, or might decrease up to 10, well, depending upon the year of launching out there. The pricing might differ, but it can save you a great saving. You can say that. Another one involves the same factor, which is the rating out there. Pocketable rates. Yes, the refurbished products are quite pocketable rates out there. Yes, they have a very pocketable rates out there. They are very less expensive. We can say they are not much. They are not cheap out there. They are not very cheap out there, but they are not too expensive. They are not at all expensive out there. They have got really a good pricing for themselves and are of absolutely pocketable rates. Now we all know that brand new products have 1 year warranty from the company here itself. But once a product has been used, you usually don't get to see the warranty period. But this side, or we can talk about the refurbished product, on this side offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty for your devices for the refurbished products. So you can definitely check out that. Every description box has mentioning of the warranty period itself. Every site will show you the warranty period if it is available. So do check out the warranty period on the site as well. Talking about another factor is the 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy out there. So you can definitely check out this, because 7-day exchange policy definitely offers a great thing out there. It is really amazing, because if a product is not verified and has been directly given to you, then you can definitely exchange it. You can get it replaced out there. But usually it doesn't happen. They have already verified and then only it is certified and categorized as refurbished. Now talking about the refurbishedness and everything, since I was talking about a site out there which we have already seen, that is none other than this site, which is phoneZone.ae. The site name is phoneZone.ae. We already know about this site and we have already seen about this site. Then let us talk about this site once again. We already know that it offers you a number of categories. It offers you all the brands out here in the category of all mobile phones. That is Apple, Samsung, Nokia. Every kind of brand can be seen here. Now talking about other factors, now talking about other things out there, we can say that this offers you nothing else but a 6 months warranty period. It offers you 7 exchange policy. It offers you COD could be seen out there. Free home delivery is there. 100% original products are there. Now everything can be seen on the site itself. So you can definitely check out, since this site is very amazing out here for the best refurbished products. You can check out because it offers you great deals, great pricing. So you definitely need to go on Google and type phoneZone.ae to know the best pricing in your area. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care और अपना ध्यान रखिए. किसी और मॉडल के बारे में जानना, you can let us know by the comment section. Till then, take care.